Alrighty, I have a construction update for you guys today. So over at Minebuster, we have some significant progress in terms of the amount of work that has taken place. So the helix is definitely taking shape and getting near to the second half of the helix, which we are still up in the air about if they are going to retrack the second half this off season. We have a lot of time to work with, so I will be shocked if they don't do a little more work outside of this. But I do want to bring up one good point to counter what I just said, that the topper running rails and the running rails on the actual track have not been installed yet as well. So that in itself could be a lot of work. I'd have to go back and watch last year's videos to see how long it took them to install that, but I think that's a pretty quick project once they're done the lumber. I think the lumber is the hardest part, especially with the location that they are currently working in. Again, once they're out of this shed, which is the entire area that they're currently working on, which they are nearing the end of, outside of the ledgers and the topper track, the actual running rails of Minebuster, there isn't much else to do. So I definitely think they could finish the second half. I wouldn't even call it the second half. I'd call it the second 1/3 of the helix into the brake run. I definitely think they could do that this season, but that's not confirmed. I don't have any inside information on that. We'll have to wait and see what happens with Minebuster, but I really do hope they complete the entire helix, because it would be really cool to experience a completed helix on Minebuster. But that's all I have right now for you on Minebuster. I will go out and make a prediction based off of last year and the state we were in and the state we are in this year with the construction project. And my prediction that I think they are not fully done. I don't think Minebuster is going to be open with the park when it opens, but take that with a grain of salt. That is an opinion with zero fact behind it. So we'll just have to wait and see. Anyways, thanks so much for watching today's construction update, and stay tuned for more. Bye.